hella lit party at Kirsten's house Saturday night. You should totally go.
I mean, I don't really like her, but sure.
I don't like her either, but I heard there's gonna be alcohol. So Sigma.
Really?
Yeah, I can't wait.
I don't know how I feel about drinking.
Oh, you'll be fine.
What's wrong, huzz? Is this your first party? Let's get a drink in you.
Sup, fam?
Greetings, Huzz.
I don't know, guys. I'm just not ready.
Come on, don't be a chicken.
Hey, don't peer pressure.
Yo, what's going on over here, Sigmas?
Andrew's being a wuss.
Dude, be nice. Drinking isn't for everyone, Ginger.
Oh.
Me personally, I'm drinking apple juice.
Thanks, guys. I'll just have some juice.
How embarrassing. TSPMO.
Hey, what are you drinking?
Cranberry juice. I know this cookie good.
That's so cool, I'm drinking apple juice. Thanks for watching our skit on human nature.
There is at least one alcohol-related death every year. No more.
I represented the impulsive side of human nature.
Mia and I represented the thoughtful part of human nature.
That was so lit, huzz!
So Sigma. So Sigma.
Really? There is at least one. I'm from the deep blue underworld.
Come on, don't be a chicken, Andrew.
Say your fine.
Get